Title: Gist. The essence of understanding. Meaning. Today, we're discussing the word gist. Gist refers to the central or essential part of something, often a conversation, text, or topic. It's the core or main idea. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gist is simple, gist, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, he explained the gist of the story, focusing on the main plot points and key details. Importance. Gist is a valuable word that helps us quickly grasp the main points of a discussion or text, enabling effective communication and comprehension. Conclusion. In summary, gist is a word that signifies the heart of understanding and the power of concise communication. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of gist in everyday communication.